Already have recommended
Okay.
Kenneth Daniel.
Very good. And are you pleased with the product at the end of the day?
Absolutely.
Better than we expected. We were shopping on our way to Roanoke Rapids and kept seeing his sign sitting in the corner there, and we knew we needed a new roof.
Chris came by from looking at another job and saw that we had some shingles missing, so he stopped by and we talked, and he said, let me do an estimate and we might be able to get your insurance company to pay for it. And so he did the estimate, and from there the company did everything. Contacted the insurance company, set up the appointment, the adjuster came out, and from there it was just bing, 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 quick and easy. Okay, the day of the build, they got here about 8 o'clock in the morning and got started, and by 2 o'clock they were done, but they had called me out and said, well, we're going to come back tomorrow and do the shed roof. But they decided to go ahead and do the shed roof the same day, so by 2 o'clock it was completely done.